If you are into streaming, vlogging, or content creation, this kit is a must-have. What's up guys, welcome to Reviews by Ronan. Unboxing the Ay-49 Professional Live Streaming Kit. Inside the box, we have a foam windscreen microphone, perfect for clear audio on your smartphone, DSLR, camcorder, GoPro, or PC. A 6000K LED light with 49 ultra bright LEDs, adjustable to get that perfect selfie lighting. 120-degree rotation for the best angles, plus a handy lanyard hole and control button for convenience. And the best part, a wireless remote that works up to 30 feet so you can snap photos or record videos from a distance. So, click the yellow basket.